Hi, I'm Sabine from Porsche, and this is a video about the Taycan suspension lift.
Check it out.
The Porsche Active Suspension Management is a system for active adjustment of chassis. It reacts to the condition of the road surface as well as the driving style. Depending on these factors, Porsche Active Suspension Management continuously adjusts the vertical dynamics of the car, for example, the damping. Your vehicle may be equipped with either the Porsche Active Suspension Management with steel suspension or with adaptive air suspension and self-leveling. The adjustable chassis system individually sets the appropriate damping force for each wheel. To select your preferred chassis option, click the chassis button on the instrument cluster. Now you can choose between the normal mode, which is a comfort-oriented setup for everyday driving, the sport mode for more focus on performance and dynamics, or the Sport Plus mode for an overall performance-oriented setup. Alternatively, you can also use the Porsche Communication Manager. Simply click on the car button and then select the chassis option under Drive. You can then choose between 3 different modes. The air suspension self-leveling feature automatically compensates for road irregularities and maintains a constant ride height. You can select your chassis level of choice in the Drive section of the Porsche Communication Manager, or by simply pressing the suspension button on the instrument cluster. To give you a better understanding, let me show you the available chassis heights. Medium, which is the standard level for normal and sport chassis settings, and high for vehicles with the off-road design package. The lower chassis height reduces the ground clearance by 10 mm compared to the medium level. Low reduces the ground clearance by 22 mm compared to the medium level and is used for sporty driving. Lift increases the ground clearance by 30 mm compared to the medium level. It can be selected at speeds up to 30 km per hour, and it is deselected automatically at higher speeds. This option is often used when driving over obstructions. High is only available for the Cross Turismo. It increases the ground clearance by 10 mm compared to the medium level. Another great feature is Smart Lift, which uses GPS to adjust the height of the air suspension. GPS-based lift means that the height of the Taycan automatically moves to the relift level. There are 2 ways to save a specific location where the lift level will be automatically activated from that time. You either use the suspension button on the instrument cluster, or you can access it via the Porsche Communication Manager by selecting Car, Chassis Level, and then select Lift. To save this location, simply click on the pop-up window. Once activated at a specific location, the elevator level is automatically active. So when you enter your garage, for example, the vehicle has the intelligence to automatically lift when it approaches the GPS coordinates again. The vehicle submenu allows you to manage, rename, and delete GPS points. If you leave the GPS point and exceed the speed of 30 km per hour, the vehicle will automatically return to the preset level. Smart Lift also offers an increase in efficiency when driving on the highway. It uses Porsche Innodrive, which detects when the Taycan is approaching a highway. This means that if the vehicle exceeds 60 km per hour for at least 10 seconds, it will automatically lower itself. Have fun using the adaptive air suspension on your next ride, and see you in the next video.